Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my mixed media project. I will show you how I made this pumpkin. I use this gel sticks and I'm coloring in a mixed media paper. I'm going to use this orange color, which is the same color as the pumpkin. So I'm going to color the whole thing, and I'm using two different colors in this to give it as a shade. And I'm going to use my fingers to rub it. Then I'm going to use my die cut, and I'm going to cut it and I'll be back. Now you can see this shape. Then I'm going to use this acrylic paint pen and do the coloring on the outline and the inner line as well. Then I'm going to use darker color of gel sticks, and then I'm going to uh, draw it over that, and then I'm going to use my finger to soften it. Then I'm going to use lighter color of the gel sticks, and I'm going to blend it a little bit, and then uh, add another color in that on the edges of those and blend the color again. Then I'm giving the shade. Now I'm using a black acrylic paint pen and darkening the edges. If you have like a pit pen, Faber-Castell pit pen, you can use those. And I have this acrylic paint pen. Then I'm using the lighter color and giving some more shade on the edges. Then I'm now using a white paint pen, and I'm using lighter colors again. So this is how it looks. I have another one made exactly same as this. Now for the project I'm using same gel sticks. You are seeing that I'm using a lot of gel sticks. I am kind of lately fond of using this gel sticks. So I'm using a dark green color, and then I'm going to blend with the lighter color. And then I'm adding little bit of black in there in the background. Then I'm going to see how I want it, and then add other colors on the top. Then I'm using this, instead of stamping, I'm using this, it's kind of like a printed one. I like to use this sometimes. Then I'm going to see how I want it, and then I'm adding yellow color in this in the background. It's a light touch up of yellow. Then I'm going to um, add this pumpkin now. My glue is like dried up little bit, so I'm going to um, open up the hole and then see if it flows easily. So I'm giving little bit of shade. Then I'm using like a acrylic paint pen, and I'm going to uh, draw some of those, um, I don't know what is it called as, but then I'm going to add some sunflowers in this. This is definitely a fun project to do. Then I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I have to finish it with the coat. So you can see the close up. I will see you in my next project. Bye.